12 pieces silicone cooking utensils from acacia.lk. Easy to use, non-toxic and non-stick as well. Silicone kitchenware with wooden handles make your cooking easy and safe. This 12 pieces set includes a pasta fork, tongs, spoon, ladle and many more. You can do stir fry, stirring cream, butter, ice cream, whisk eggs and many more. This silicone brush with silky and smooth bristles help you to apply all the sauces with ease and fast. Hurry up and grab your 12 pieces silicone utensils now. Check the first comment to place your order.